Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible breakthrough to share with you from the world of chemistry. Hokkaido University researchers have just achieved the first ever domino reaction in redox chemistry. Stick around as we dive into the details of this groundbreaking discovery. To understand the significance of this achievement, let's set the stage. Redox reactions involve the gain and loss of electrons, and achieving domino reactions in this field has been a considerable challenge. Imagine a series of falling dominoes, where each domino triggers the next one. Now, picture this concept applied to redox reactions. The researchers successfully demonstrated a domino reaction in redox chemistry, creating a cascade of reactions. So, how did they do it? The researchers designed a two-part molecule with an innovative molecular structure. This molecule undergoes a significant structural change, creating a domino effect that triggers sequential reactions. Overcoming challenges in redox processes was no easy feat. Chemist Yusuke Ishigaki from the Hokkaido team explains the difficulties associated with electron transfer and how they successfully addressed them. Now, let's explore the potential applications of this groundbreaking discovery. From nanotechnology to renewable energy batteries, the implications are vast. We had the chance to speak with chemist Yusuke Ishigaki from the Hokkaido team. He shares insights into the control offered by heating and cooling, opening up possibilities for novel materials with switchable electronic properties. In conclusion, this achievement by Hokkaido University researchers paves the way for exciting innovations. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking discovery. If you enjoyed this video and want more science updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious.